Zuba zumba zumba zuba zumba. Zuba zumba zumba zuba zumba. Zuba zumba zuba zuba zumba. Zoom zoom zoom. Zoom 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 zoom. Zoom zoom zoom. Zoom 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 zoom. Zuba zumba zuba zuba zumba. Zuba zumba zumba zuba zumba. Zuba zumba zuba zuba zumba. Hey. Zoom zoom zoom. Zoom 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 zoom. Zoom zoom zoom. Zoom 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 zoom. Hey yo boom. It's your boy King Ginger Cream de la Cream. Indana Kings Basumtimandi Mabuyu Bambulu Nyutasu. Upo Jaman Sabafukazane Beport Chwala. Welcome to another exciting episode of Niyathembana. Couple switching phones mtanami. We're in the streets of Johannesburg and we're looking for lovers. Abantu abanamcholo phakathi and King Ginger Cream de la Cream. Ehamba nomavusana. Bafuna ukwenza sure ukuthi bathelithwa iphakathi. It's going crazy. It's going bananas. It's a purple king mtanami. Hey yo boom, it's your boy King Ginger Cream de la Cream. Intwana Kings bathumtimandi umabuyu bambolunye uhlase ubhodla amanzi abafokazane bebhodla utshwala. Welcome to another exciting episode of Niyathembana. Couple switching phones mtanami. We are in the streets of Johannesburg and we are looking for lovers. Abantu abanomjolo phakathi and King Ginger ne CMTV bafuna ukuthelithwa iphakathi. It's crazy, my friend, sir. The couple is already here. But I think zoom, zoom, zoom. The couple is already this far. Shit. God damn it, is danger. Shit, is danger work. Okay, good. Hi guys, Sanban. Ninjan. Sure, if it's I woke up, it's not dinner. This is my friend who working for you. My name is King Ginger. So I do a show on YouTube. It's called Samisibuza Abantu Abathandanayo. I would say, are they dating? Are you guys dating?
Yeah, we are.
Oh, nice. So what do we do on this show? We go around and we ask people simple questions so that our viewers bazokwazi ukuthi mabe ku relationship behave kanjani mhlambe ngabanika ama advice yabo lonto. So wena njani muba igama lakho? Uzwele from Eastern Cape. Njayami, which side of Eastern Cape do you represent? Umtata. Stand up Mtata bafethu. As you all know, King Ginger Kapecha representer intwana seking indlovu bafethu. Mamazwe nuba igama lakho? Nicolette njengo chocolate. Mamazi. So where are you from originally?
I'm from Pretoria.
Kokai Pretoria Park.
Yes.
Ora tso wa khona go bua Pretoria vele.
Yeah, ke khona.
Bathong ka utlwa gore ba re da vele lona nna le linga ya lona vele.
Bona fed.
Hey, live dance ka dane.
Sure.
I want to know from you, what is it that you love ngomuntu wakho?
What do I love about you? He's caring.
Yeah.
Ngithanda. Asimuthula istrata man. He's always attentive.
Asimilindana bafethu ngeke lashisa lelanga la kule ndawo. Ngihlala you guys are students. So ngihlala kuyo le ndawo right quiet kanje. Yeah. Awunjaya. Edlala indawo ne-on vele ikuhle la showcase. So uyamthanda. All right. Njaya mona, what do you love about umuntu wakho? Konje uthoba igama lakho? Nicolette. Wena njaya konje?
Yeah, Uzweli.
Uzweli yini oyithanda ngoNicolette ka chocolate?
Yeah, good like we girlfriend like a supportive girlfriend, so unothando, upholile, friend ilawi yabo.
I love it.
Yeah.
So can I ask you a question first? When you were coming this side at home, they didn't warn you about Joburg girls?
Yeah, they did. Yeah.
Uyawayithatha imiyalelo yasekhaya?
No, not ncam that.
Not ncam ne? So you think you didn't choose the right person mawuthi imiyalelo yasekhaya uyithatha kancam? I'm asking Jay.
Yeah, like Yeah, choose umuntu right.
Choose umuntu right.
Yeah.
Oh, hey. I know no, the reason why I'm asking it's because umphako wendlela wherever we go umphako wendlela ukuthi ka uhamba uya eJoburg or wheresoever they tell you at home ukuthi listen usiphathe kahle eGoli wabheka amantombazana eseGoli you understand.
Yeah,
so uyamthemba umuntu wakho.
Yeah.
Out of 100 umthemba nganani?
75%.
Where's the 25?
Yeah, abantu besifazane bra.
Room for disappointment.
Yeah. So kuyamela la kuzinikezela yeah.
There's
space yeah.
Njayami. Bafanas.
Ndimthanda. Yeah.
Bafanas. Balana manotes bafanas. Leave 25% for a room of do you support man? Mama, the question same applies to you?
I trust them, but manje, yeah.
Out of 100, where do you sit?
50.
50. All right. But I love the fact that you love each other, right? All right. Can you please hug each other? Hug, please. Come on now. Come on, we're still dating, right? You will never know. Maybe it's the last hug. Right. Jayam. So, Lana, there is a thing that we do. It's called loyalty test. And it's njengoba uthi wena nje 75% at 250. So i-loyalty test it's whereby we're switching phones for 60 seconds. Ucheck ukuthi umuntu wakho ufletha nabo bani on WhatsApp, Facebook, even on Instagram if she does use it. Same applies to you. Angithi wena awuthama uthola namuntu and then wena uyamthemba nomuntu wakho.
Yeah, kanjalo. Something.
Why nkaro doubtful yana?
No, I did doubt something like yeah.
Okay.
Now yazi like now.
Okay.
All right. I love it. So, uzotela sishintshane ngama-phone. Yeah.
My phone.
Yeah. All right, Jayam.
Yeah, sharp.
Vusi? I'm not alone, my brother. I'm with my brother Vusi as my protector because some other people, they lose it sometimes. So, my brother, it's time for the famous question. Time for what? The famous question. Please say after me. Time for the famous question. The famous what?
Question.
The famous question. Thank you so much. Mamas, are you good?
I'm good. I'm fine.
I'm happy. Can I please come inside?
Come away.
Inside.
Inside what?
Inside here so that we can start couple switching phones.
Okay.
What were you thinking?
I wasn't thinking anything.
You're not thinking anything. What are you thinking?
Anything.
All right, tell them.
Yeah,
All right, guys, it's time for couple switching phones. But before we do that, I know I did the zoom. I won't do it. Can I have a phone visit? Sure. I'm so calling mamas. We'll start with your phone, eh?
Okay.
It's okay, right? Are you okay, right?
I'm fine.
Perfect. Thank you. All right, my brother. Wait. No, what's up? All right, stop there. All right, guys. It's about that time. Couple switching phones. Mtanami King Ginger Cream Del Cream. We are on WhatsApp right now and we are about to start the trenders. Please type for me. I love you. Okay,
I'm fine. Perfectly fine.
Abaksheli, mamas. Or let's Ange. When alone jam.
Yeah.
I was really. What say what's all ganzi? Musweli bati. All right. Delete I love you for me and please type for me. I miss you. So you go tabo baby boy, but see you go mamas. Nothing. Anja I'm saguhle ne?
Yeah.
Happiness.
Yeah, yonke different.
Vela zutaba. All right, ngicela ungidilithelene type sex. Akayiceli nobabaze sex mhlambe. Maybe ayikupela snack. Awuyiceli nesex uthemba. Why ungaphi nje kahle sex lana wena?
Ukuthi like izinto ezi-snacks angizithanda as well.
Oh, sex snacks. Ngiyaqala ukuzwa umuntu ethi sex snacks bafethu. First time. Ayirata so. Helele. Ugcina udringa ayitholi njalo. Uzoyitop. Delete that one and type for me come outside. Yeah, uzoyitop. Vele bomtopisa mamas.
It's just him.
It's just him, ne? Okay. Ngicela uphume lana, ngicela una Facebook. Instagram? Okay, let's jump on Instagram. Ikuphi ula siswami? Khona letho no. Oh, uyawazi. Sure. Asingene kwi DM. All right, type for me I love you. Aye. Confidence kamamas. Yes.
Oh now umjit tell but umzibile.
Yabo kamphendula.
Yeah, akamphendula.
Simplock, simplock.
You can.
Right.
Yimina. Sure. Ya ngasalokho bangisicefe.
Yeah.
Ngobona umuntu wakho ngithi. All right. Okay guys, how do you feel mfethu ukubona ukuthi ifoni kamamazi mfethu clean kanje? How do you feel?
Yeah, ngifeel grand and ish. Now I'm like uthi banomvandetho ngo like uthi yabo like mayenza kanje because like bengamethembi yabo.
Yeah.
But siniyabona
like
like
25 uyawubuyisa.
Yeah, singawubuyisa nje. Umkayo 100. Baby 100. Ndiyakubhaya wanqane. Ndiyamncane.
Yathanda mfethu. Uyamthanda naso sami ngithi.
I'll see.
No, phela akaboni lutho ngithi uyamthanda. Kodwa sister, ngathi vele nje bamba ke ifoni. Hi, it's going crazy. Mavara. Njayami. Abafethu, phethu umavusane abafethu izinja zakhe ngicela ungivulele njayami. Danko. Awu danko, ngicela phela. Vusi, ngicela ungimela ngala. Alright. Kwenza njani?
Abura yami ukuthi like ish baby anti besileqide thina. So I made yambura like ndaziqhubeka ntoni.
Awumeke Buddha yami. Buddha. Awume Buddha now WhatsApp. Baby. We are on WhatsApp right now and we are about to tap the Chondas. I love you. Awuthami. Indaba manje.
Yazi thi siyahamba baby. Maria yazi leyo nto. Uthi mase to me it's late.
Akakhulumanga kodwa yena wena khathi ucheck ifone.
Yeah, Buddha like asa
awume mfethu.
Yamazi.
Sasa ngicela ungifundele le gama libonayo lapha.
Lesigo, Lerato.
2 3.
Yeah.
Ukuyibonela. Lesigo. Urato. Ubandona. Shit. Kwenzanani mfethu?
Hayi, ubona bani maybe abo sisibam. Inpid. Yeah, umzala wami lohla. Yeah, like ibikubhuti wami like le phone le baby. Ubhuti wami like ibikayisebenzisa ubhuti wami lomncane.
Ulisigo yena. Ngicela ungiboleke ifoni sister ngiyibonele nami. Ngoba uzozwa ismash ifoni yabantu ngiyakubona usuyibamba kanjani. Awuthami, yazi mina nguwena ngabe ngenza njani mfethu? Ngabe ngiyalivuma iphutha lami and then ngikupe mayithwarele komuntu because awuthami nawo amagama amantombazana. It's not one girl, it's several girls. Several.
Ne family bro.
Une family?
Yeah, so like abazala bam go Cape Town.
Uthi I love you bona.
Yeah, uthando lwefamily. Baby nawe uyayiqonda yazi ndiyakuthanda.
Okay, sisam
uthi ndiyamthanda. Uthando lwefamily.
Okay, asiqhubeke ngicela uqhubeke ucheck sisam. Okay, it's fine. Uthando lwefamily. Akwasibone ke ukuthi same family le evela lana njengoba une squad sebhola izovela nima sethi I miss you ufake ne heart. Qembu lebhola ke lelo liphethe ke la. Wabamba ikhanda manje awuthami kwenza njani? Same names.
Nice, ne?
Uyabathanda ne? Ubathanda bebaningi.
And you miss them all.
Abobani.
Abo Lesigo, abo Indipil.
People why? Like yazi like
baby.
Awuthami
ubani?
Ubaniyani ngoba na amagama wena awuthami ngabe uyaxolisa.
WhatsApp ado baby njengoba mama.
WhatsApp wenzani?
Nje like ngidibana ne friends so i-friend ayixotsha.
So when your friend with a hat.
Yeah, i-friend.
So when you're with friends zakho.
He's such a liar.
A bad one.
He's such a liar.
A bad one.
You said Indipile, cousin. Manje,
friend. Manje, say you're mixer food.
Yeah, like he doesn't know cousin wami efana.
Ngicela ungithathele ukuthi sex lapho sibone ukuthi ngeke ba
jonga phutha.
Injani
koqala. Uthi lama sazana.
Emfethu. Ehlisa umoya awuthami.
Phambanela uvile.
Yazi le awuthile.
Hey
Buddha.
Why? Umuntu wami lo usehlisa nemethi yami ngiyalayo.
Emfethu ehlisa umoya.
Okay, ngizisa cellphone yami.
Ehlisa umoya. Iphethe umuntu wakho.
Yeah, ikuyi but ngiyicela phone yami.
Kodwa nawe kodwa uyiphethe yakhe ngithi.
Yeah.
Emfethu enhle ufuna ukubonana wena.
Ngimnikile kuyi. Phone yami baby.
Ufuna ukubonana uthami wena ngathi ulwa nami wena.
Oh, okay.
Wena ngathi ulwa nami.
Qhubeleka. Anti umuntu wakho yamazi.
Umuntu wami kanjani?
Umuntu wakho niyazana.
Angimazi, asazani.
Yancuma.
Unquma njani?
Qhubelekana.
Asazani.
Yazi thini? Ngentenzani thani? Phone yami.
Yeah, nayi phone yakho. seswami usazoqhubeka ngoni ujole ne-out yakho nje.
No.
Mamela lo.
Akimameli next.
Masema sami. Jonga baby.
Imaki it's yabona mina mfethu ngifuna ungi-understand. Angizili ukuzokumoshela lana. Wena ngabe wehlisa umoya. Ukhulume nomuntu wakho wavuma ama-mistakes wakho because vele ushaya ama-flop. Uyabona nje abashaya labantwana. Ngeke mfethu uphike kanje mfethu abantwana bawu-3. U-Andiphile usisi wakho cousin phinde kube umuntu wakho futhi phinde kube umuntu ongamazi. Ring into eyodwa mfethu umuntu lo uyalalela.
Sana sami like yaqona like ngenze mistake yabo.
Miyekele Vusi sondela umuntu wakhe bayazana lapha.
So into engifuna uyazi ukuthi no anzokwenza
ngeke kwenze lutho
ufuna ukuthini ebantwini
hayi khuleke umile khuleke
uyazi ukuthi like namuntu ngumuntu so akekho umuntu ohleze perfect yabo sonke siyakwenza amaphutha.
Oh, that's your excuse. Wow.
So kuba amaphutha ukuthi athandane lamantombazana awu3.
Yeah, like yenzeka lanto ukuthi like nayiphi na indoda yazi like ukuthi uyantshontsha kanti uzobhaqa kunica yethu ilanga likhanyisile makhanyise ngapho nisa city yabo so nambe nithi ndiyantshontsha tena but
it's fine. Congratulations.
But ndiyakuthanda babe jonga mama. But wathi kumyanithanda mos nizofa nami cocambela ingomso lethu nawe uyazi ukuthi mangashiya ngweni ngafa baby.
Hayi meke Vusi bayazana
mamela why uzondenza so
siswami so wena wathi utake emva ukuthi yena akhulume nawe akuchazela ukuthi ulenzile iphutha and ubanjiwe and uyayisola ngalokho kwenzakalile.
But for how long? Till when that iphutha?
Uzwayeka lamaphutha from now on.
Yeah ngizoyeka because vele siyafound out.
Khona nizoqala on a clean slate my brother.
Yabona because like ngibonile phone yakhe ukuthi like akayenzi lezi zinto like ngicawuthi niyazenza. Baby ngicela.
So Sisama, you're going to give him a chance ukuthi ke mhlawumbe nikwazi ukuthi nikhulume ngayo and think about it and see ukuthi how can we fix it if it's fixable, because at the end of the day we are trying to save a relationship. And I mean what I want from you guys ukuthi nithandane into uzwile ukuthi out time at least in fact we came out without think about it. It's ngintetele bafethu ngoba ninqamile yabo lento le izwilibanzi bethu fix your ways mfethu uzama na ukuthi wenzeke right mfethu siswami take care of yourself mfethu and I pray ukuthi lento yeni ilunge bafethu yabo. Let me let you go guys. My name is King Ginger by the way. Ngihlezi ngikhona ningigugu ningicheck phela ku YouTube bafethu show njani show pro uzomlandela. It's going crazy, it's going bananas. My name is King Ginger, cream de la cream. Into se Kings mafethu. Ayiganyiwe. Kufeba left, right and center fethu sechozi. Do not forget to subscribe on your #1 channel, CMTV SA baba. Kahleni bafana. Kahleni ukungihlela umona. Hayibo kahle ngoba ngizoze ngicule kahle nini. Vusi ngicela ungifundise le ngoma. Intombi iqoma la ithanda khona. It's about that time. It's going crazy. It's going bananas. Hey yo boom, it's your boy King Ginger, cream de la cream. Intwana se Kings bathi umtimandi umabuya ubambolunya uhlase ubhodla amanzi abafokazane bebhodla utshwala. Welcome to another exciting episode of Niyathembana na couple switching phones mntanami. We are in the streets of Johannesburg and we are looking for lovers. Abantu abanomjolo phakathi and King Ginger ne CMTV bafuna ukuthela itswayi phakathi.